Here is Baltimore rapper Kyng Vynce from the tribe of Benji. Today we're going to be speaking on how to monetize your music on Soundcloud. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and sign out. And I'm going to type in Soundcloud so you guys can see the view the way I see it. So I can see the view the way you guys see it. Alright, and I've already showed you guys how to create an account. And I've showed you guys how to upload your music to SoundCloud. And I've also showed you guys how to distribute. So by now, you should already have an account. So I'll go ahead and sign into mine. Alright, so now that I'm in, I'm going to go over to my profile, which is where my name is, profile. By now you should already know. But like I've been saying in my other videos, for real, SoundCloud has switched up the game. And they're supposed to be paying people differently than any other platform. And it's supposed to be beneficial to the artists. And I think people should jump on board now, because these other, as we could tell, well, for the people that know the rates that the streaming platforms pay, we know that it's not very much. So from here, you would then find the song that you want to monetize. So I'm gonna choose an old song I got. And make sure it's original, guys, because if it's not original, I mean, you can have yourself hemmed up in all type of issues, for real. So I'm going to monetize Disguise. Okay, and they do offer mastering. All right, so first things first. So what I want is to be able to monetize this song and get paid for this song, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to then go to my name, go scroll down, and click distribute. And the reason why I'm doing that is because for me to monetize my song on SoundCloud through SoundCloud, I will have to go to repostnetwork.com. And if you watch my previous videos, you know how everything works as far as getting in here. And if you want to learn, what this is about, and how to distribute or how to set up an account on here, you can go to my previous videos. By the way, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, so you can get notified when I'm dropping that knowledge. And like this video, and let's keep it pushing. All right. So as we see by now, we have a tab or a button for SoundCloud monetization. Go ahead and click that. And this is the SoundCloud channel that I want to monetize. So I'm gonna click that. And here you will scroll down just like on your SoundCloud, and you will find the song on here. So this is the song, right? And you would hit submit for monetization. And when you hit submit for monetization, it's going to tell you not to put your name in it or the producer. So you're going to take that out. What version is this? You're not going to choose a version. Contributors, I'm the composer, producer, K Blaze, the Mad Genius. Alright. Do you have a ISRC code for this track? Now, being as though I've already distributed this track, I'm going to come over here to DistroKid, to the song Disguise, and under the Songs tab, I'll then copy this ISRC code. Right? Now, if I want to monetize it through SoundCloud with a code from SoundCloud, I would hit no, and it will automatically generate one for me. But being as though I already have one, and I want everything to go with that code because it already exists, I'm going to hit yes, and right where it says ISRC, I'm going to copy in that ISRC code. Okay, so it says content rating. Is it explicit? Yes, this is the explicit version of the song. And the label, we all know I'm with the Tribe of Benji. You already. Audio language. You're going to choose the language that the song is in. This track is, no, it's not a cover or a remix. Do you have the rights to monetize this? Yes, I do. Okay. And you would go and you would hit submit. I think it's loading. Oh, so I'm sorry guys. It's saying please include at least one main artist and composer. Okay. So you would hit add a contributor and main artist, and it's going to be Kyng Vynce. And now we're going to hit submit. So it says cancel monetization, add track artwork. We already got artwork. Okay. And if you want to edit how the song looks, I mean how the words look on the song or whatever, you can always go back to SoundCloud to that very song, hit edit, and you can put it in here as well. You can change it here. And you want to go into the metadata as well on SoundCloud. We're back on SoundCloud, guys. Right now we're saying cancel monetization on repostnetwork.com because it's pending, it's in review here. So now we're going back to SoundCloud to the song that we're trying to monetize here. Click edit under the song. And we're going to go to the metadata. Okay? And we're going to fill out the metadata for the song. Contains music, yes. Artist, Kyng Vynce. Now, this is an old song, so publisher, no publisher. This is the IRC. Now, mind you, it's in review. This is the ISRC code, guys, for the monetization. Composer is me, but it's not required, so I'm not gonna put that in there because I don't want it on SoundCloud. Release title, Disguise. buy link. So for the buy link, I'm gonna go over to iTunes. Click this little ellipsis here. Share. It's gonna pull this up. You're gonna hit copy link. Take that, bring that back to SoundCloud, and put that in the buy link. And I'm gonna change this to stream. A lot of people don't know you could change that too, where it say buy, you could make it say something else. Album title. It was on Oh Wow. Okay, record label. You already know. Tribe of Benji. Let's get it. Release date. Let's see. What was this uploaded November 14th, 2019. Let's see. Okay. Barcode. I mean, I'm gonna get into that later, but right now, I mean, that's not really important. The ISWC, you will get that from your PRO. I have one of those, but I'm not gonna get into that either right at the moment. P line 2021 Tribe of Benji. Contains explicit content. Yes. And all rights are reserved. I own this track. Okay. Save. And as you see, it says stream here. And when you click it, boom. Alright. So guys, I've just shown you how to monetize your song on SoundCloud. And it was using DistroKid. And I used DistroKid because I already released the song before with DistroKid. So I used the ISRC code from DistroKid to monetize the song on SoundCloud. I used repostnetwork.com for me to submit for monetization of the song, so that the song could then get, give me a second, so the song could then get a blue check, a blue money sign right here. This track is monetizing, and that means you getting paid off that song. So once everything go through, it'll then have his blue money sign, and it'll be monetized. But make sure that your music is original. You got your leases right as far as the beat and all that, because you don't want to get hemmed up. So once again, I've showed you how to monetize your song on SoundCloud. You have now experienced a session with Baltimore rapper Kyng Vynce from the Tribe of Benji. Yeah.